our extra wide heating and proofing cabinet. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length, we have at least 22 3/4 inches with a depth of at least 29 3/4 inches. Overall height, we have 67 inches. Swing door with magnetic latch handle. And inside will be 33 inserts for 33 trays. Please note that trays are not included with this proofing cabinet. The measurements from the left to right beam, we have at least 19 inches. And the overall depth from the back to the front of the beam holding the trays, we have at least 21 inches. Those are the measurements for the left and right and the back and front beam for each slot holding the trays. Overall dimensions for the internal proofing cabinet will include 28 inches in depth, a length of at least 22 inches, and the overall height at least 53 inches. Coming to the bottom will be a well with a heating element, and that heating element will heat this tray where the water must be filled at all times during heating and proofing mode. So a water pan with the water filled at all times during the operation of proofing and heating. Coming to the bottom will be the on and off switch along the mode to change from heating to heating and proofing mode, with the option to adjust the temperature up and down. The digital display in the center will show the current temperature in Celsius, and the number will be shown. Coming to the bottom will be the ETL certification, along with the technical information for this proofer. And this runs on 110, 120 voltage. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.